Welcome to this brief tutorial, bulk export up to 25,000 records on the new EBSCO user interfaces. You must be signed into your My EBSCO account to use the bulk export up to 25,000 feature. The feature can be used 20 times in a 24-hour period with a cap of 100,000 records. In 24 hours, these will be reset.
To access the bulk export up to 25,000 option, at the top of your search results, use the drop-down. Select the option for export results. At this stage, you'll be prompted to either sign into or create a free My EBSCO account. If you do not have one, click Create an Account and follow the prompts to create your free account. If you already have an account, you can sign in. Once signed in, it will recognize your login and provide information about your bulk export. Please note you will receive an email with a link to download the metadata once the export is complete. The number of results exported can be up to 25,000, but they may be lower depending on a few variables. To export your results, enter your email address that you want the results to be sent to. If you wish to send the results to additional email addresses, click into the second field and enter email addresses separated with a semicolon, then select your output format. For most bibliographic managers, including EndNote, Zotero, and Mendeley, select RIS format and then click Send. At this page, you'll see that the export is requested, and I will receive an email with a link to download the metadata in my inbox shortly. You have 7 days to retrieve your items. Please note that there is a limit of 20 attempts for bulk export allowed within a 24-hour period. After I have made this export, I will have 19 attempts remaining. In 24 hours' time, my attempts will be reset and I'll have a further 20. Please also note that there is a cap of 100,000 records.
When you receive your email, it will look very similar to this. You'll see the query and have the option to download your metadata. Click Download Metadata to export your records. Your records will appear in your download folder. I'm using the Zotero Bibliographic Manager to import my records today. Here's my collection of imported records. Thank you for watching this tutorial.